Hey Groot, I'm trying to do this roof inspection today. Do you want to help me out? I am Groot. Yeah, I know it feels like a merry-go-round, but I'm trying to see if there's hail on this turbine. Would you please help me out? I am Groot. What? I am Groot. Does that mean that there's hail on here? I mean, I see the chalk marks and I see a couple dents here and there, but there's other parts of this roof we need to look at. I know they're not as fun as a merry-go-round. I am Groot. Oh my gosh. Tall roofer. Signing out. Whee! I thought you just said I'm Groot. Whee! Groot. Out of all days, my ankle hurts. I got my ankle brace on. Who knows what's going on with my ankle? Please get off the goat. Please, Groot. Groot. See? No playing around on the goat. Groot, I'm really trying to get this job done right now, and you're just horsing around. I'm looking for all these hail hits. I am Groot. Oh, well, that's what I'm looking for. I am Groot. Yeah, well, you know what? Maybe it's just a language barrier, and I'm sorry about that. But, we've got a lot of hail that we're looking at here and up here, and it's really important. This is my job. I am Groot. It's your job too? Is that what you're saying? I am Groot. I don't know what that means. All this playing around, and look, we got rain. Now we got to cut out of this inspection. Oh, are you trying to show me something? I am Groot. Oh, I see it. It is hail. We need to get off this roof before it gets wet and my ladder gets slippery. What do you say? I am Groot. Oh, what in the... That is not how we get off the roof, Groot. I hope you're okay. 'Cause I was built for this.